The mirror modifier can be used to duplicate an object on the X, Y, and Z axis. Before you activate the mirror modifier, you may want to delete half of the object you want the mirror to mirror over. To activate the mirror modifier, select the object you want to mirror, select the Modifier button in the Properties tab, and select Add Modifier. Under the Generate heading, select Mirror. You can tick the box next to the X text, which would mirror the object on the X axis. The same would happen with the Y and Z axis. When the clipping option is enabled, it prevents vertices from moving through planes when you move their transform while in edit mode. The vertices that touch the mirrored vertices will clip and join together until pulled away.